Ready? Start. Mr. Deputy Chairman, I thought I should rise to support the point put forward by the Honorable Mr. Kunjru, but my honorable friend from Hyderabad has said certain things which I had better deal with first. He has attached more or less the whole system of elections in India. He has talked of indirect election and so on. I am afraid he has gone far beyond the scope of the bill, and I do not think that that needs an answer at all. As regards the question of preparing electoral rolls, I think there is ample power vested in the election commission to order the preparation of a regular election electoral roll if the election commission considered it necessary for any extraordinary reasons such as a large exodus from one place to another and things of that kind. Otherwise, as the honorable member himself said, it is such a vast country and such huge numbers are involved that I think it would be really an unnecessary burden on the resources of the state to launch upon the preparation of electoral rolls every year. The same purpose could be served by revising the electoral rolls every year as per the directions given by the election commission as well as the rules laid down for the purpose. In a democracy, one of the prerequisites for its success is vigilance, and I think it would be quite in order to expect the people of various parties to interest themselves in the revision of these electoral rolls. In fact, that is an obligatory task of the citizens, and it only helps to greater awareness and alertness on the part of the different parties. Para. There was another point made by my honorable friend to which I should like to refer. He referred to false personation. I am not going to deny it absolutely. There might have been some false personation, but to say that it was the Congress that resorted to false personation and that all other parties were paragons of virtue and were angels dropped from heaven in simply absurd that he should have had the boldness to venture such a reckless statement. I should say irresponsible statement without any proof whatever was wholly unfair on his part to the Congress, and it is no credit to this august House that one of its members should make such an allegation against the opposition parties.